The future of leadership in the age of artificial intelligence is one such topic that is gaining more and more attention in today's business landscape. With technological advancements happening at an exponential rate, it's becoming increasingly clear that AI will play a significant role in shaping the future of leadership. Let's discuss these threats that leaders and aspiring managers will face in an AI-driven workplace and how we can overcome these challenges in 2025 and beyond. Threats such as lack of technical knowledge, resistance to change, risk management, talent acquisition and retention, alignment with business goals, communication with training, etc., etc. Welcome back to Exalted, where we discuss all topics related to mind, money, geopolitics, books, and more. I'm Akshai, an operations leader and a data scientist with over 2.5 decades of experience leading large operations teams in the financial and healthcare space, where I've extensively leveraged Lean Six Sigma, automation, robotics, data analytics, and made data-driven decisions and business process improvements in that space. I want to thank all of my dear subscribers who've appreciated my previous videos. While I'm recording this video, our tribe is over 10,000 folks now, and it's exciting. You inspire me to work hard and bring content that is insightful and informative, all while I still have a day job. As a special gesture to thank all of you, I'll try to do this in 5 languages: Telugu, Kannada, Hindi, Tamil, and Malayalam. And you guys can rate me on my language proficiency in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from all of you. In under a minute, with no cuts, here we go. Telugulo. నా ప్రియమైన సోదర సోదరీమణులారా, నా వీడియోస్ లైక్, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ మరియు షేర్ చేసినందుకు నా హృదయపూర్వక ధన్యవాదాలు. కొద్దిగా ఫార్మల్ అయిపోయింది, కానీ మీరు అడ్జస్ట్ చేసుకుంటారని నాకు తెలుసు. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಸಹೋದರ ಸಹೋದರಿಯರೇ, ನನ್ನ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಲೈಕ್, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮತ್ತು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನನ್ನ ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಗುರು? हिंदी में मेरे प्यारे भाइयों और बहनों, मेरे वीडियोस को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करने के लिए आपका तहे दिल से धन्यवाद है. कृपया अपना आशीर्वाद और सहयोग दोनों बनाए रखें. तमिழில் என் அன்பான சகோதர சகோதரிகளே, என் வீடியோஸை விரும்பியிருக்கீங்க, ஷேர் மற்றும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க, அதற்காக மிக்க நன்றி. மலையாளத்தில் ಎಂಟೆ ಪ್ರಿಯಮಾನ ಮಲಯಾಳಿ ಸಹೋದರಿ ಸಹೋದರನ್മാരെ, ದಯವಾಯಿ ಎಂಟೆ ಹೃದಯಂಗಮമായ Nante Swigirikuka. As your personal harbinger of technological changes and not just a pretty face, I intend to keep bringing you frequent videos that can inform and perhaps insulate you from any setbacks in the industry, in your employment because of shifts overall in the industry. I'm also just starting off, so thank you for being that sweet person who goes out of their way to hit that like and subscribe button so that a newbie like me can feel appreciated, and also YouTube can recommend similar content for you in the future. So have you hit that subscribe button? Yeah? Yes? Okay, done. Let's dive into the report now. So, how has artificial intelligence reshaped the future of leadership? Coming up. There's a compelling statistic that drives home the transformative impact of artificial intelligence on successful leadership. According to a recent study, organizations that have adopted AI-powered decision-making tools have seen a significant increase in revenue, with some reporting as much as 20% increase in just a few short years. This is a staggering number that it highlights the potential of AI to drive business growth and success. From ta-dung to ta-dang, the case study of a company like Netflix is a splendid example of how artificial intelligence can be used to drive business successes. Netflix uses AI to analyze viewer behavior, make recommendations, allowing it to provide a highly personalized viewing experience, sometimes creepily accurate. And no, I don't like to binge watch baking shows. Clearly, I hate tarts, cakes, pies, cupcakes, and pastries. I don't know why it keeps showing up in my feed and tempting me. Anyways, this has been a major contributor to the success of the company, with Netflix reporting a significant increase in customer engagement and retention. Leaders today are facing unprecedented challenges as they struggle to adapt to rapid technological advancements. The pace of change is moving so quickly that it's becoming increasingly difficult for leaders to keep up. Many are finding themselves overwhelmed by the sheer volume of data and information that is available to them, and it's becoming harder to make informed decisions. Traditional leadership models that were once effective effective are no longer sufficient, and new models are needed to address the complexities of a rapidly changing business environment. One of the biggest challenges leaders are facing is staying relevant in an age where machines are rapidly becoming more intelligent. As AI takes over routine tasks, leaders are being forced to re-evaluate their roles and responsibilities. This requires a significant shift in mindset, as leaders need to focus more on high-value tasks that require human intuition and creativity. To make matters worse, many leaders are struggling to understand the nuances of AI and how it can be effectively integrated into their organization. Despite the challenges, there are many who believe that AI will ultimately make leaders more effective. For instance, AI can help analyze vast amounts of data and provide insights that would be impossible for humans to uncover on their own. This can lead to more informed decision-making and better strategic planning. Additionally, AI can enhance the team collaboration by automating routine tasks and freeing up more time for creative problem-solving. AI tools can support leaders in a variety of ways, from data analysis and visualization to team performance monitoring and forecasting. These tools can provide leaders with a level of visibility and control that were previously unimaginable. For example, AI-powered dashboards. They can provide real-time data on team performance, allowing leaders to identify areas for improvement and making data-driven decisions. AI chatbots can help automate routine communications, freeing up more time for leaders to focus on high-value tasks. In addition to supporting leaders, AI can also enhance team collaboration in several ways. For instances, if you use a collaboration tool that can facilitate team communication and knowledge sharing, allowing for more effective problem solving and innovation. AI can also help identify potential bottlenecks and areas of improvement, allowing teams to optimize their workflows and becoming more efficient. So, what are these changes that are expected in recent years? And let's do a quick comparison between what was expected from leaders back then and the new reality. Technological proficiency was less critical, with a focus on traditional management practices and manual processes. But today, managers are expected to be tech-savvy, integrating AI and automation into business processes to enhance productivity and decision-making. Leadership was often more hierarchical, with stronger focuses on authority and less emphasis on employee-centric approaches. But today, empathy, emotional intelligence, and employee well-being are paramount. Leaders are expected to foster a positive and inclusive work culture. Decisions were often based on intuition and experience, with less reliance on data-driven insights. But today, managers rely heavily on data analytics, AI to inform their decisions, allowing for more precise and effective strategies. The pace of change was slower and continuous learning was less emphasized in the past. But today, rapid technological advancements require leaders to be lifelong learners, constantly updating their skills and adapting to new tools and methodologies. Remote working, that was less common back in the day, but management practices were designed for traditional in-office environments. But today, leaders must effectively manage remote and hybrid teams, leveraging digital tools to maintain collaboration and productivity. Innovation was important, but the emphasis on agility and rapid adaptation was less pronounced back in the days. But today, innovation is crucial, and leaders are expected to foster a culture of creativity, agile thinking, and stay competitive. The expectations from managers, leaders in 2025 and beyond have shifted towards a more technologically adept, empathetic, and inclusive approach, with a strong focus on data-driven decision-making, continuous learning, and managing diverse, dispersed teams. By the way, if you haven't already watched my previous videos, where I deep dive into the projection of the Future of Jobs 2025 report published by the World Economic Forum, and another video on how you can apply 3 strategies where you can future-proof your job, I'll drop links for those videos in the description box below, and you'll also be able to click on it somewhere up here towards the end of the video, so stick around. And if you have a friend or a family member who will be impacted by all of this, and these videos could be useful, please share with them. I'm sure they will thank you for it. So what are some of these critical skills to develop and improve upon in 2025 and beyond? Coming up. Leaders must be technologically proficient, leveraging AI, big data, and automation to optimize workflows and improve decision-making. Being technical savvy is ridiculously important for bridging the gap between innovation and implementation. Managers need to embrace change and remain flexible in their decision-making, since adaptable leaders inspire confidence and resilience in their teams. Leaders should focus on long-term success by analyzing trends in data, identifying opportunities, and anticipating challenges. This skill ensures sustainable growth and innovation. The heat in the kitchen is constantly rising. Modern managers must remain calm and always composed under constant pressure while setting an example for their teams. Empathy, emotional intelligence, and a focus on employee well-being are becoming fundamental leadership qualities. Leaders are expected to foster a sense of purpose and meaning in the workplace to enhance employee performance and satisfaction. Inclusive leadership that values diverse perspectives is crucial in fostering innovation. Leaders are expected to implement strategies that consider diverse employee needs and create an environment where everyone feels valued and heard. Clear communication is at the heart of strong leadership. Managers must convey ideas effectively, listen actively, and foster open dialogue with their teams. Managers should act as mentors, providing guidance, support, and regular feedback. By fostering a culture of learning and development, managers help employees enhance their skills and contribute more effectively to the organization. Did you identify with some of the challenges I described? Do you think that these strategies would be helpful to existing and aspiring leaders? Or do you disagree with any of these solutions? I'd love to hear your feedback in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more such videos. Until then, stay exalted, live long, and prosper.
What the hell are you talking about, Akshai?